class. Good morning everyone first of all.
Good morning.
Okay, so आज हम करेंगे मैथ्स. Okay, can anyone tell me मैथ्स को हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं?
गणित.
I am not listening without raising your hands. Last.
गणित.
Ganit. Can anyone tell me what is written on the screen? Arnav. Ganit Charcha. आप सब हिंदी पढ़ते हो? So anyone who can tell me what does Charcha mean? I'll write the spelling on the board correctly. Anyone who knows the meaning of Charcha? Yes, Vijay. चर्चा करना means discuss करना या बात करना किसी बारे में. Thumbs up, thumbs down. This much is clear. Great. Now everyone, I want.
क्लास है.
नहीं, this is 5th class. Okay, so everyone, I am distributing some pamphlets in groups. हम सब ये pamphlets observe करेंगे without talking, without making a noise. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Great. This entire group. This entire group. You will observe and pass it on. You will observe and pass it on. ठीक है? Without any talking class, you will observe and pass it on.
Read करना है.
Read it, observe and pass it on. ठीक है? You will read it, quietly see this and then pass on. This way you will get it once. ठीक है? Okay guys. So what you are going to observe in these pamphlets is somebody of you have got a menu, food menu, right? Some of us have got this food menu. इस food menu में you are going to find out maths कहाँ है. Where do you find maths coming alive in the food menu? Some of you have got this pamphlet, which is an easy day pamphlet of a store, right? It has different prices written on it. So for those of you, you will check where is maths coming alive in this pamphlet. ठीक है? Where do you find maths in it? Quietly write down any 2 points in your notebooks where you see maths coming alive in this pamphlet. ठीक है? Give me a minute, Chaitanya. Some of you, Lara, give me the paper. Some of you have got a monument. So as soon as you get the paper, you will find out where do you see maths in the monument. ठीक है? And once you find out, you're going to write down 2 points of the same in your notebook and then we'll discuss in the class. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Any doubts? Yes, Jagriti. You're going to find out maths कहाँ है इस monument में. Yes, you have to find out where do you find maths. So for those of you who got monuments, count the number of stairs, count the number of windows in the picture. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Yes, Taiba. Sia, you're going to watch with them. You're going to watch with these people. And I am not listening without raising hands. So here you have the picture. Yes. Yes. Class, not talking without raising your hands. No problem. Just watch. Write down where do you see. Yes, Chaitanya. Where time is coming? Just give me a minute. Yes. Quickly observe, right? Where do you see maths in this picture? ये देखिए, ठीक है? Yes. पास ऑन कर दो. देखिए आपने पास ऑन कर. बेटा देखा हमने, pass it on. You have to write. For example, I got a menu. For example, I got a menu. You are going to write menu में maths कहाँ होती है? Raise your hands and tell me. The first one. Okay. I am giving you exactly 2 minutes. 2 minutes के बाद we are going to discuss. ठीक है? So menu में maths कहाँ होती है? Yeah. Prices में, right? So you are going to write prices in the notebook. Thumbs up, thumbs down.
ये सारे prices.
नहीं, सिर्फ write the word prices कि we find एक food menu में prices में we are finding maths. At the same time, if you have this page with you, which is a pamphlet of a store, you are going to write. Where do you see maths, Chaitanya? Again prices. So you are going to write prices. Correct? Yes, Chaitanya. Maths no. Yes, Arpan. Yes. Okay. Did you count the number of stairs and windows?
5.
You have to do this in groups, Javi. In groups. Okay, quickly. Done? Write down the maths and then you are done. नहीं टोटल नहीं करना सिर्फ दो चीजों का प्राइसिंग यस किसी भी दो बेटा क्विकली क्विकली four of you are going to do this. Count the number of stairs and count the number of videos. Now the second part of the lesson, what we are going to do, lights off Javiti. Okay, so we have 3 goals for today's class. Can Sia get up and read the first goal? Sia, get up and read the first goal.
Our first goal is
Think maths aloud today. So we are going to be thinking maths in the whole class. हम सोचेंगे कि हमने maths कहाँ find out की in our daily lives. Correct? Thumbs up, thumbs down, everyone. Sia, too, can you please get up and read the second goal? Loud. So second goal will be that we will be talking and understanding how maths works in our everyday life. Thumbs up, thumbs down, everyone. Yes, Matthew, any questions? The first goal talks about thinking maths aloud today. So we will be thinking where maths is coming alive in the whole class that we have today. Second one is talk and understand about maths in daily life, everyday life. So we are going to think and understand how maths works in everyday life. Okay? Do we have Kritika in the class?
Yes.
Do we have Kritika? Kritika, get up and read the third goal. Louder. Everyone, Hifsa, can you hear her? Louder. Concept. Learn a new concept. Curiosity. Okay, sit down, Kritika. Hifsa, can you read? Can you read? Acha. Namish, can you read? Stand up and read the third goal. Loud. Loud.
Learn our
Concept. So we have 3 major goals. The third one talks about learn a new concept while we practice curiosity, critical thinking and collaboration. हमने एक चीज पढ़े है क्लास एवरीवन, yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
So the 3 C's that we are going to be practicing in today's class is curiosity, critical thinking and collaboration. Anyone who can tell me, Anna, get up and tell me what do you mean by collaboration? How are we going to practice collaboration? Teamwork. So we are going to be working in groups to practice collaboration. Thumbs up, thumbs down, everyone. Great. Moving forward, we are going to be studying about pie charts today. Anyone who knows how a pie chart is made? Yes, Arnav, tell me. Okay. So Arnav says pie chart वो बताता है जिसमें कितना हवा है अर्थ पे और कितना पानी. Anyone who can tell me what does a pie chart mean? So we do not know about pie charts.
No.
Okay, no problem. We are going to make one pie chart in the class. Javiti, lights on. नहीं, wait. Class, wait. Okay. All those who like, I'm going to give you 5 subjects. We have maths. We have English. We have EVS. We have Hindi. So we are talking about 4 subjects. All those who like maths, raise your hand. All those who like maths, raise your hands. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Guys, hands straight up. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We have 40 students in class. For example, 20 like maths. ठीक है. English, raise your hands. All those who like English, just raising your hands normally. Do not get up. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 9. Guys, you have to choose one subject. Tell me all those who like maths cannot like English. Choose only one subject for now. All those who like English now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All those who like EVS, we have just 2 in the class. All those who like Hindi, either up or down. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How much is the total coming up?
30.
Still one student is not answering. Beta, your class is upstairs. Your class is upstairs. Room closed, everyone? Yes. So we have 39 kids in the class today. And out of 39, we made this. Hands down, everyone. Hands down. Attention here, class. All eyes on. All eyes on. So attention here, everyone. Okay, guys. So now what we are going to be doing is, we are going to make a pie chart out of this data. So give me a minute. No talking, everyone. Listen, can you please close the door for me? Okay, guys. So when I make a pie chart, I am going to represent the given data in a circular manner in the form of a pie. So out of 40, exactly half of my class likes maths. This is what a pie chart looks like. And Aditya, we are not listening without raising our hands. In Hindi is liked by 10 children. So we have Hindi. Then English is liked by 7. This is English. And this is Hindi. And there is only 2 like EVS. This is what EVS represents.
May I come in?
Yes, you can come in. Okay, give me a minute. Class, make this pie chart in your notebook, please. Quickly. Yes. Any size, you can make it smaller. Class, attention here, everyone again. So now we know what a pie chart is now. Class, all eyes on? Great. Now listen to me. Stop writing, everyone. Stop writing, everyone. Listen to me. Attention on the board. Priyanshu, attention on the board. This is what a pie chart looks like. Now, what exactly a pie chart is that we are going to read? Janati, lights off. Janati, lights off. Both the lights off. Mukul, get up. Can you read what is written on the board? The definition of pie chart. Louder, Mukul.
A pie chart is a graph. A type of graph.
Yeah.
That the data is circular graph in silence.
The slices of
Slices of pie chart show the relative size of the data and is a type of
pictorial. Okay. So what do we understand from a pie chart? Pie chart is a pictorial representation of data. example, if I have to find out how many students in my class like maths, I know इस circle में से half my students like maths because half of this circle represents maths. So for example, and I'm not listening if you're not raising your hand. So I know that half of my class students like maths. Why? Because 20 or 40 students are liking maths. At the same time, if I know English is liked by this much part of people. So in a circle, जब एक circle में या फिर एक pie की form में हम data को represent करें, how many like people like maths, how many people like bananas, or any form of data, चाहे वो fruits के ऊपर हो, subject के ऊपर हो, any topic it is called as a pie chart. It is a type of graph. Have you all seen graphs? Bar graph हम सबने देखा है, yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. So it is a type of graph that represents data but in a circle. Since it is named as a pie chart, pie कौन सी shape में होगी guys? Round. Have you all seen the picture of an apple pie? Or any pie? In the books, or maybe in your movies, or if you have eaten a pie. So it is in the form of a circle, yes or no? Yes. Yes or no? Yes. That is why it is called as a pie chart. Now, pie chart क्या होता है? इतना are we clear with this? Thumbs up, thumbs down. Yes. Thumbs up, thumbs down, class. Thumbs up. Great. Moving forward. Okay, I want somebody from the C section to read this. Somebody from the C section who can read this. Yes, Bachchu. Read loudly.
Pie charts are special charts that use pie slices to show relative sizes of data.
Correct. So pie chart is a special chart that uses pie slices to show relative sizes of data. जैसे कि मैंने अभी बताया, pie chart is a type of chart which uses circular image or a circular representation of data. तो अगर मैं कहूँ ये circle pie है, तो pie की slices होंगी, ये जो pieces कट किए मैंने. This is what a pie or a pizza looks like. है ना? तो अगर मैं कहूँ एक pizza को मैंने 4 parts की जगह पे 3 parts में divide किया, depending on what my data shows, that is what a pie or a pizza chart will look like. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Are we clear with what is a pie chart? Great. Now we are going to be solving a math question in groups. ठीक है? I am writing a question on the board and I am also passing on some worksheets in groups. You are going to be solving these worksheets in groups. Are we all clear with what we are going to do? Yes or no? Yes. Dheere, can you get up and repeat my instructions? What are we going to be doing right now? No problem. Anyone who can repeat my instructions? Nice. Somebody from the back? Yes, beta. Get up and repeat. What are we doing right now? Bolo. Okay. Yes, beta.
ये आप वर्कशीट बांटेंगी कोई तो हम लोग 4 ग्रुप में सबको सॉल्व करना है.
No problem. Are you all clear with everyone? Yes. Are you all clear? अभी हम क्या कर रहे हैं? Nestle, can you get up? No. Shagun, can you get up? Repeat my instructions.
जो आप शेयर दोनों में हमें 4 ग्रुप में बांट के
Solve करना है. Correct. Thumbs up, thumbs down, everyone. Jagrati, can you please switch on the lights? Bye. Thank you. Okay. So I am also going to write the same question on the board for those of you who are not able to get the worksheet. Since we are more in number, we will solve it from the board. This is your entire group. You have to solve it in the sheet only. Group में you are going to discuss and write down the answer, and also write down the name of the people in the group. ठीक है? Yes, with a pen. So this whole is a group, Priyanshu and Ganga. This all is a group, and you are going to be doing it in this group. 6 of you are a group. All of you are one group.
दीदी कॉपी में लिख रहे दीदी.
नहीं, on the sheet only. Answers on the sheet only. Discuss and then write down. All of you are a group. Raise your hands if you have doubts, class. one group. One group. Class, everyone attention here. Class, attention here. Right. Stop. So I'm giving you exactly 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes we are going to be discussing and giving points to each group. Are we all clear with what is to be done? Thumbs up, thumbs down. Great. Okay, class. Now we are over with our 10 minutes. Adil, Zuhair, sit down. Sit down on your seat. Okay. So now I'm discussing questions, and जिस group का जो answer सही होगा, that group gets 1 point. And last में we will see out of the 6 groups which group wins. Clear with the instructions? Thumbs up, thumbs up. Yes. Great. So the first question says, the pie chart shows the favorite fruit of the students of class 5. Study the chart and answer the questions. Yeah. The first one, wait. What is the most favorite fruit? Out of these, what is the most favorite fruit? Anyone who can tell me? Yes. Pineapple or apple and pineapple both? Anyone who can tell me yes or no? How many of you agree with Arnav? How many of you agree with Arnav? So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Group 6 gets 1 point. All those who have given apple and pineapple both give yourself 1 point. ठीक है? You're going to pick the correct answer. Second question. Which is the least favorite fruit? Question mark. Banana. How many of you agree with her? All of you agree with her? Banana. So this is group 5 gets 1 point. Great. How many of you like oranges? Yes, sir. Louder, I can't hear you. You say? 10. Okay. How many of students like oranges? How many of you agree? Is it 10? Yes? So group 4 gets 1 point. The last question. Chico is the favorite fruit of dash students. 9. Some group who has not got a chance. Nancy. 9. Is 9 the correct answer? Yes. Great. So group 1 gets 1.2. So all those who got 1 point, that means all of the entire 6 teams have a tie. All of you got 1 point each. Correct? Thumbs up, thumbs down. That's great. Next, what we are going to do now, do we know how do we solve pie charts in groups? Do we know how to solve pie chart questions? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. So we have 2 objectives. Jagati, can you please switch off the lights for a minute? Thank you, Jagati. Class, no talking. So we had 3 objectives for the class today. Anyone who can tell me how many objectives are we done with? See here, get up and tell me. We are done with the first goal. Thank you, Sia. Are we done with the second goal, class? Yes? Yes. We are done with the second goal. Are we done with the third goal, class? Namesh, are we done with the third goal? Agree. Yes or no? Okay. Third goal हमारा partially complete हुआ. We did collaboration, we did critical thinking, and we did curiosity as well. Lights on, Jagati. Now what we are going to do? Individual synthesis. I'm so sorry, Jagati. Please one more time. We are going to switch off the lights. Yes. So this is what we are going to do. Individual synthesis. Hexna, can you read loudly what is written on the board? Yes.
Solving a bad question in class
Individually. What does individually mean, class? Yes. Individually doesn't mean group में. Individually means here personal, यानी अकेले. So अभी हमने group activity किया. जब भी we can switch on the lights. Now what we are going to do? We are going to be solving a question individually. So I am giving you one worksheet each. You are going to solve it in the next The last thing that we are going to do today is think about what all places does pie chart in real life apply. Okay? So now we are going to discuss that where all we can use pie charts in real life. 1 minute in the class where we were discussing our favorite subjects, right? So in the second one we are going to be talking about where all pie charts can be applied other than doing it in the class. Anyone who can read what is written on the board? Right. So, Hifza, you were reading what is written on the board.
Get about
आगे आओ. You will come forward. Illustrations. So you are going to be thinking about where all pie charts can be used in real life to represent data. So in tomorrow's class, what you will do is you are going to tell me 3 places where pie charts can be used other than the classroom. Thumbs up, thumbs down, everyone. Do we all know the homework for today? Give me 2 minutes, Charcha. Okay. So now I am distributing these worksheets. You are going to be getting 7 minutes to complete this worksheet. Got it, everyone? Thumbs up, thumbs down. Great. Take one and pass on. Take one and pass on. Take one and pass on. Yes, individually, without any noise in 7 minutes. You will get one. Take one and pass it on. No problem, you will get one. You will get. Okay, class, 7 minutes are over. I am collecting worksheets. And do we all know the homework? Yes or no? Yes. Mukul, can you get up and tell me the homework? You are going to tell me 3 places where you can use pie charts in real life. Okay? Thumbs up, thumbs down. 3 places where we are going to use pie charts in real life. Great. Thank you for the class today.